If you are looking to start doing your shopping based on the new food pyramid, I just did a Costco haul. I didn't get a lot of things, but I just wanted to run through a couple things with you. So let's get started. Welcome to Gut Health Made Simple. My name is Kim and I'll be your host. All right, so let's start with the fats because we know that they're at the top of the pyramid up there with protein. I got myself some avocados and I like to eat a half of one of those each day, if not a whole one each day. This is a really great, there's only grass-fed beef in here along with some spices, sea salt, and olive oil. So really easy, quick beef. That's probably, I don't really eat a ton of beef. I did get some poultry. So I got some organic chicken breasts, the sweet kale kit. I like this as a base to my salads. Grab that today and you can get 2 of them. I think it's like $6, whereas if you get a single one at the regular food store, they're already $4. So I think that's a great deal. I'm making a chickpea salad later today. So I got some grape tomatoes and along with that, I got the hothouse cucumbers. I got, these are my sweets. So bunch of cherries, and then I also got a bag of dates, which this is my goodie now. If you know me, if you knew the previous Kim, I was all day gummy bears, Twizzlers. I like sugar a lot, so this has sugar. This will give me the sugar, but it's natural sugar, no added sugars. Same with the cherries, natural sugar, no added sugars. And then my the extent of my dairy. I'm not a big dairy gal. I did get some organic feta, and this is made from sheep's milk. Now, I prefer goat milk or sheep's milk to cow's milk simply because our bodies are more closely aligned with those smaller mammals. Therefore, we can digest the protein a little bit more easily. All right, and the grains, they're down at the bottom of that pyramid. I got myself some quinoa, and actually, I have it in the Instapot right now behind me, pressure cooking so I can remove the lectins from that and throw it into my chickpea salad later today. So that's my Costco haul for today. I have a lot of resources in the description below. Check them out. Check out Gut Health Made Simple, your daily tracker. It's now available on Amazon, and you can also purchase it as a printable PDF. Again, it's going to be down in the description below, and I hope you have a great day.